The 2007 F-250 Super Duty. Head-to-head fuel efficiency, head-to-head towing, head-to-head torque. Ford F-250 Super Duty. This vehicle has less than 140,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, tachometer, front reading lamps, passenger vanity mirror. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.